I want to go ahead and bring in the stadium geometry now. Just going to turn that off. So I'll come back into OBJ, go to File, Import FBX, as it's an FBX is what we have. It's my hip, and then in my geo folder, I've got this stadium FBX, accept, import that. And we got our geometry there. So the scale on this, it looks kind of correct with our agent now, but the agent is actually big as well. So just to bring it down to the correct scale, I'm gonna, not in there, if we find the FBX, which is here, I'm going to jump inside, come to this geometry node, which is kind of parenting everything else, and drop it down in here to 0.1. Okay, zoom in on that. And then let's see, so we're going to be sourcing the, by the way, yeah, if you have problems like this where it's clipping, let's see, we can sort that in the, if you press D to go into your display options while the cursor is in this window, go into, I think it's no, not optimize view, and then it's set these to neither. And this will be the close one. So if I set that to 1, yeah, there we go. We should see what we need. So we're going to be using the chairs as points to source, you know, the crowd agents. So we need to isolate these chairs and then, you know, build a system to use them as points, right? So if I just click on these, then you can see that it highlights, because we've got loads of different nodes here. So this kind of helps. And I can see that I've got a load here. So there's seat 6, seat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, right? So let's just kind of bring them out and see if that's what I need. Just move this back. Seat 6. So what I'm going to do is just hide everything else for now, and then hopefully that will show me that you know, I've got everything that I need. Yeah, so it seems right. So all of these seats are just, that's all of the seats. Okay, there might be 1 or 2 kind of extra ones, but that's basically what I need for our crowd. Okay, so I'm just going to take notes of the name. Right, we got seat 06, we got 1 to 5, and then 6. Yeah, great. So let me just double check, because I think one of these could be empty. I think this number 5 doesn't actually contain anything. Oh, wait, maybe it does. Yeah. Okay, 4. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0, and seat 6. Perfect. So yeah, take notes. So seat 00 to 6, and then we're going to use them, as I said, in our crowd source. So let's set up a new geo. Call this crowd source, jump inside, object merge, and then we're going to go ahead and find those nodes. So in my stadium, so it was called seats, there we go, 0 to 6. So accept, turn off the points there. I'm just going to copy that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there we go. We've got all our points, all our seats ready to go.